What's up, everybody? This is your buddy, your pal, London Hawthorne, and I'm here with another unboxing. This shipped from Schenectady, New York, all the way to where I live in South Bend, Indiana. As always, thanks so much for watching my videos. Please subscribe. Please share. Check out some of my other hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of unboxings. I've got over 3,000 videos so far and counting. These are wrestling figures. Not exactly sure 100% which ones. But I do collect wrestling figures. I do sell some sometimes. I am using a knife, so always be safe. A, you don't want to cut yourself, and B, you don't want to cut what you're opening. What are some of your favorite figures in your collection? Leave a comment below and let me know. Got some bubble wrap. First up, we've got WrestleMania Andre the Giant in-ring cart. This is a very big figure. This is bigger than the average wrestling figure that you'd see. Very, very cool. And then I've got not one, but two Macho Man Randy Savage in-ring carts. WrestleMania Moment Intercontinental Championship match versus Ricky the Dragon Steamboat. Something, something, something. As always, thanks so much for watching my videos. I really do appreciate it. Let me know what you think in the comments below. What's your favorite figure in your collection? WWE Championship match versus Hulk Hogan. Thanks so much for watching once again. I wish you the best. Be safe out there. Subscribe, share, cash at me at London Hawthorne. Go to ripapparel.com, onceuponad.net. Use my username London Hawthorne when you're checking out. Save a couple bucks off your shirts. Have a great day.